for ant, so tiny and quick. She carries a leaf with a big brown stick. B is for bear, who likes to nap. He sleeps all day in grandpa's cap. C is for cat, who chases a ball. She rolls on the mat and bumps the wall. D is for dog, who loves to run. He barks and jumps. Oh, what fun! Is for elephant, big and slow. He splashes his trunk wherever he goes. F is for fox with a fluffy tail. He hides in the bush and reads the mail. G is for giraffe, so tall and sweet. She picks fruits high with happy feet. H is for horse, who trots around. He gallops fast without a sound. I is for iguana, slow and green. He naps in the sun where he's rarely seen. J is for jaguar, strong and bold. He runs through trees, fast and cold. K is for kangaroo with a pouch so wide. Her baby peeks out and wants a ride. L is for lion with a royal roar. He sings so loud, we shut the door. N is for monkey, who jumps on trees. He swings and swings with giggles and wheeze. N is for newt, who's tiny and shy. He hides in a log when people walk wheeze. N is for newt, who's tiny and shy. He hides in a log when people walk by. O is for owl, who hoots at night. He reads a book in the pale moonlight. S is for penguin in the snow so deep. He slides on ice, then falls asleep. Q is for quail, who's cute and small. She bounces like a rubber ball. R is for rabbit, with ears so long. He wiggles his nose to a silly song. S is for snake, who wiggles and slides. He draws squiggles and then he hides. T is for tiger, who loves to roar. He thumps his tail upon the floor. U is for Uriel, who climbs up high. He taps his horns and waves goodbye. V is for vulture, who spins in air. He glides in circles without a care. W is for whale, who sings in sea. She splashes and laughs so joyfully. X is for Giris, a squirrel so neat. She digs and buries all her treat. Y is for yak, with hair so thick. He twirls and shakes like a magic trick. Z is for zebra, who zigzags fast. He races the wind and never comes last.